Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Cloud Gaming YT. Today we are gonna show you how to get news and interests in Windows 10. It is a new feature available for the latest updated devices. You can see news, weather, and many others things with this feature. So let's get started. Now, go to taskbar and right-click mouse. And click on the option called News and Interests. After that, a small window will pop up and you can customize it. If you want, you can click icon and text, so it show the Celsius and related info. If you don't want, click turn off and it will not show up. That's all guys. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.